Manifestation is a powerful concept that has gained significant traction in recent years, particularly through popular books, films, and the emergence of the law of attraction. The idea of manifesting your desires suggests that by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and energy with a desired outcome, you can bring that outcome into reality. But what does science say about this phenomenon? Is there truth behind the idea that our thoughts can shape our reality, or is it merely wishful thinking? In this exploration, we'll break down the scientific principles behind manifestation, delving into quantum physics, neuroscience, and the law of attraction, all of which play a role in understanding how the mind and universe interact to create reality. The role of quantum physics, the observer effect, one of the most frequently referenced scientific principles in discussions about manifestation is quantum physics, specifically the observer effect. This principle suggests that the act of observing a quantum system, such as a particle, alters its behavior. The classic example is the double-slit experiment, in which particles behave differently when observed versus when they are not. In essence, at the quantum level, particles exist in a state of probabilities, also called superposition, until they are measured or observed collapsing into a defined state. This raises the question: if observation can alter quantum systems, can human thought and intention have a similar effect on reality? While quantum physics doesn't directly prove that our thoughts can manifest outcomes, it opens the door to the idea that consciousness and energy might play a role in shaping the physical world. Scientists like Dr. Joe Dispenza have expanded on this idea, suggesting that our consciousness, much like an observer in quantum physics, can collapse potentials into our lived experience. Dispenza believes that by aligning your thoughts and emotions with a future reality, you bring that potential into the present moment. Neuroscience and the brain's role in manifestation. When we shift from the quantum to the biological, neuroscience provides a compelling framework for understanding the mechanics of manifestation. Our brain, through its structure and chemistry, plays a critical role in how we perceive and create reality. Here's how. Reticular Activating System, RAS. The RAS is a network of neurons in the brainstem that acts as a filter for information. Every second, we are bombarded with millions of sensory inputs, but our brain can only process a fraction of them. The RAS helps determine what information we pay attention to based on our beliefs, desires, and goals. When you focus on something, whether it's a specific goal or outcome, the RAS becomes primed to notice opportunities and information related to that focus. This is why, after setting an intention, such as buying a new car, you might start seeing that particular car model everywhere. Your brain is tuned into the frequency of that specific desire. Neuroplasticity. Another key concept is neuroplasticity, which refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. When we repeatedly think about something or engage in a particular behavior, we strengthen the neural pathways associated with those thoughts and actions. This is why habitual thinking patterns can influence our perception of reality. In the context of manifestation, visualizing and focusing on a desired outcome can lead to the brain wiring itself in a way that makes that outcome feel more attainable, thus encouraging behaviors that align with that outcome. Mirror neurons and visualization. Visualization is a core aspect of many manifestation techniques. Mirror neurons, which are activated both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else performing that action, provide a neurological basis for this practice. When you visualize yourself achieving a goal, whether it's a career milestone or a personal dream, your brain activates the same neural circuits as if you were physically engaging in that activity. This primes you to take the necessary steps to make that vision a reality, as your brain essentially practices success. The law of attraction, a psychological and energetic approach. The law of attraction is often described as the cornerstone of manifestation. It operates on the principle that the energy you emit through your thoughts, emotions, and intentions will attract similar energy back into your life. This idea is rooted in the notion that everything in the universe, including human beings, operates on specific vibrational frequencies. By consciously aligning your frequency with your desired outcome, you magnetize that outcome toward you. From a psychological perspective, the law of attraction works by reinforcing a positive feedback loop. When you believe that good things will come your way, you are more likely to notice opportunities, take action, and cultivate a mindset that attracts success. This phenomenon can be partially explained through self-fulfilling prophecies, in which an individual's belief about a future event brings about behaviors that increase the likelihood of that event occurring. Furthermore, emotional contagion. The process by which emotions are transferred from one person to another suggests that your emotional state can influence those around you, creating an environment that aligns with your goals. For instance, a positive, high-energy person may inspire those in their circle to adopt a similar outlook, which in turn creates more positive opportunities. Scientific support for manifestation techniques. Several studies lend support to key components of manifestation, particularly in the realm of positive thinking, visualization, and goal setting. Visualization and goal achievement. A study by Dr. Guang Yu, psychologist at the Cleveland Clinic Foundation, found that people who mentally rehearsed an activity increased their muscle strength by 13.5%, compared to a 30% increase in those who performed the physical activity. This study highlights the power of mental imagery and visualization, suggesting that focusing on desired outcomes can lead to real, measurable change. Gratitude and well-being. Practicing gratitude, a key element in many manifestation techniques, has been shown to have numerous benefits. A 2003 study by Emmons and McCullough found that people who kept a daily gratitude journal experienced increased well-being, improved physical health, and better sleep. Cultivating a mindset of abundance, as emphasized in manifestation, can foster positive emotions that attract more of what you desire. The future of manifestation, merging science and spirit. The science behind manifestation is still evolving, but we are beginning to see more connections between ancient wisdom and modern research. Quantum physics, neuroscience, and psychology all suggest that the mind has a profound impact on reality, though the mechanisms are not yet fully understood. The power of belief, intention, and focus is undeniable, as demonstrated by the effects on our brain's neural pathways and our ability to shape our experiences. Whether manifestation is viewed as a mystical process or a scientifically grounded practice, its potential to transform lives is undeniable. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.